Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jelly flan. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need gelatin, milk, sugar, and a few other simple items. Make sure your mold or individual ramekins are clean and ready. This easy method will guide you through each step, ensuring a delicious dessert. We'll start by preparing the base, then move on to the creamy flan layer. It's a fun and simple process. Now, let's create the vibrant jelly base. Dissolve 1 packet of your favorite flavored gelatin in 1 cup of hot water, stirring until completely clear. Carefully pour this mixture into your prepared mold or ramekins. Place it in the refrigerator to chill for about 30 minutes, allowing it to set just enough to support the flan layer. This step is crucial for a beautiful presentation. Next, we'll prepare the rich and creamy flan mixture. In a saucepan, combine 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of condensed milk, 3 egg yolks, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk these ingredients together until well blended. Cook this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly until it thickens slightly. Be careful not to boil it, as this can curdle the eggs. This creates the perfect smooth texture. Finally, it's time to assemble our delicious jelly flan. Once your jelly base is partially set, carefully pour the warm flan mixture over it. Cover your mold with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure it sets completely. When ready to serve, gently unmold the flan onto a serving plate. Enjoy your beautiful and easy-to-make dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.